Welcome, here I've got UMIDIGI A3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard picture mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the last position we have the watermark, so by using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. And for now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here we get quick access to the gallery. And this is our photo. The watermark appears here in the left corner at the bottom, so let's get closer to it. This is how it looks like, shot on A3 UMIDIGI dual camera. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the left corner, and tap on this button once again. So for now this is turned off. When we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.